Hello everybody, welcome to lesson 68. In this lesson, you will be practicing your speaking skill. When you see the ear icon, listen carefully and prepare to speak. When you see the mouth icon, repeat what you have just heard. Can you find out the price, please? Could you find out the price, please? Can you call me when the order is ready? Could you call me when the order is ready? Number each line of this conversation in order 1 to 6. No, that's everything. Can you deliver? Yes, we do. We sell all sizes of paper. Yes, we deliver free of charge. I'd like to order 3 boxes of A3, please. Hello, do you sell A3 paper? Certainly. 3 boxes. Anything else? Listen and check. Then listen again. Pause the recording after the customer speaks and repeat the customer's words. Hello, do you sell A3 paper?
Yes, we do. We sell all sizes of paper.
I'd like to order 3 boxes of A3, please.
Certainly. 3 boxes. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Can you deliver?
Yes, we deliver free of charge.
Hello, do you sell A3 paper? I'd like to order 3 boxes of A3, please. No, that's everything. Can you deliver? Imagine you call an office supplies company. Use the ideas below and make requests. Imagine you are in these situations. What will you say? Speak your answers. Do you repair photocopiers? Can you come today? Do you sell computers? Can you give me a discount? Do you charge for delivery? Could you deliver on Tuesday? Do you have any large envelopes? Can you send my order special delivery? Do you sell desks? Could you find out the price for me? Hello, can you tell me when our delivery will arrive, please? Hello, can you give me some information about your prices, please? Hello, can you come early today, please? The office is very dirty. Could you book a room for Mr. Matsumoto? He's coming tonight. Thanks a lot. Hello, we need some office furniture urgently. When can you deliver?